Hey guys, it's Tiffany Riley. I know I haven't been on. Well, actually, yeah, I have been on because I uploaded a video yesterday. Day before. I don't know. Anyway, I thought I would come on here and do a small makeup tutorial for you guys. Now, if the video quality sucks, I am sorry. I just got a new camera, which is an iPod Touch, to film everything, so I'm really sorry if the video quality is crap. Just deal with it until I can figure out how to fix it. So right at the beginning of this video, you saw a sneak peek of the makeup look that I do for my OC Kennedy, which I am in freaking love with. I am in freaking love with Kennedy's look. So I thought I would recreate it in this little quarantine entertainment thing and everything like that. This will actually be part of the Tiff's OC Recreatement series. I guess that's how you would say it. I don't know. But anyway, yeah. Like I said, I just got a new camera and this is an iPod Touch. So who all remembers the iPod Touch? But this is a different generation than I had way back then. So I'm gonna have to get used to it. But we'll see how this goes. Leave me any feedback on how I can improve my videos and etc. etc. And let's go ahead and get started, shall we? First thing you would do first is, of course, prime your face. If you usually do concealer, foundation, and powder and all that, go ahead and pause this video and do all that good stuff. But I am using primer. This one I am using, it's a Soothing Face Primer infused with aloe by E.L.F. And I'm just putting a little bit on my clean fingers, just dotting it on my face. And of course a little bit on my eyes as well. By the way, I have my own room back, so you will definitely be seeing a lot more me in my room. My own room, not with a roommate. I would love to have a roommate, but I currently live with my grandmother, so I can't have a roommate, unfortunately, so yeah. So yeah. So you would definitely be seeing a lot more of me, not in the bathroom, but in actually my actual room. Alright, so I'm going to be taking, so of course after that's all finished, I'm going to be taking the Rady Dusk palette by Makeup Obsession, which is really cute, by the way. And I'm going to be taking a crease brush, and I'm going to be taking the shade Rose Madder. Rose Madder, yeah. And I'm going to be applying that on the crease. Even it may look a little bit darker. That's because I have blended it with other colors before. So that's why it may look a little bit darker than it does. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade Puck. Taking the same palette, same brush, be taking the shade Puck. And I'm gonna take a little bit of that. It's this like really dark blue color, and I'm gonna be kind of putting that on the lid and kind of blending those two colors together. Next, I'm going to be taking a flathead brush, and I'm going to be taking the shade Sorcery, which is this deep shimmery purple color. And I'm going to be applying that on the lid where we just put the shade Puck at, just to give it a little bit of shimmer. Now I'm going to be taking the Sweet Like palette, also from Makeup Obsession. And I'm going to be using two colors. I'm going to be using one as a highlighter and another as a blush. I'm going to be using Pop as a highlighter. So again, with the clean fingers, just grab a little bit. Just kind of go like that. Now I'm going to be taking a blush brush, and I'm going to be taking the shade Cerise, which is this deep pink color, and I'm going to be applying that on my cheekbones. Then I'm going to be taking the Blushed in E.L.F. palette by Avon, which is of course was part of their Valentine's Day collection, and I'm going to be taking the blush only, and I'm just only going to be taking just a little bit of it, just to kind of give my cheeks just a little bit of shimmer. You don't want to go overboard. You just want just a little bit, just to give your face just a tad bit of shimmer. Now I'm going to take the Love at First Lash mascara from Avon, and I'm going to be applying just a little bit. You don't want to apply too much, just a little bit, or else you'll poke yourself in the eye. Plus a little goes a long way anyway. And of course, the final step. I know that, well, screw it. The last and final step would be, of course, lips. I'm going to be taking the Megaglass Stained Glass Lip Gloss from Wet n Wild in shade Love Binding Glare, is that? Dang, small print. Love Blinding Glare, whatever the hell it is. And I'm going to be applying that on my lips. You can either leave it like this or you can blot it, which I like to blot it a lot of times. Nobody's perfect, so you know. And then of course set all this with a setting spray. I am using Avon. I'm using a regular makeup setting spray from Avon. Couple of quick squirts here and there. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. I love you guys. I am actually currently doing a giveaway on my Instagram right now to thank it's just something, it's not much, but it's something for me to say thank you guys for supporting me throughout this entire journey in the past 2 years, past couple of years that I have been here on YouTube doing all this amazing content for you guys, all for free and sometimes out of my pocket. So yeah, hope you guys are having an amazing day, night, wherever you are in the world, and I will see y'all later. Bye bye.